Welcome everyone again with our channel, and welcome with our completely free safety course. Our free safety course will be OSHA Noise Safety Part 2. This is a complete online course with exam and certificate from our website directly after you pass the exam. You have unlimited times to pass the exam. Before we start, we are kindly request from you to prepare yourself well and prepare a separate sheet to take some notes. We are sure that you will gain a new experience and knowledge. If this is your first time with our channel, kindly subscribe and activate the bell to be updated with our news and other courses. Before you start, you should complete Part 1 first. Module 2, Definitions. In this part we will describe very important definitions related to noise and noise safety. Decibels. Decibel is a unit to measure sound, like meter to measure distances or lux to measure the light intensity. Decibel, the degree of loudness of a sound, an expression of the relative loudness of sound as perceived by the human ear. Decibel, or maybe dB, an A-weighted sound closely matches perception of sound by the human ear. When screening children, guidelines recommend starting at 20 decibel, and when screening adults, 25 decibel is a standard starting level, or what they name it audiogram test. Hertz. Hertz is the term used for the frequency of sound as per the International Unit System. Frequency is determined by the number of sound vibrations per second. The faster the cycles, the higher the frequency. Hertz is the number of cycles per second. Cycle is one complete wave of sound. Hertz came from the German scientist Heinrich Hertz, who is the first one who proved the existing the electromagnetic waves. Time-weighted average. Time-weighted average refers to the average noise exposure level over a given time period. An 8-hour time-weighted average refers to exposure over an 8-hour period. It shows the average level of noise exposure workers in the field of work. Action level. Action level is an 8-hour time-weighted average of 85 decibels. Measured on the A scale, slow response, or equivalently, a dose of 50%. The protection of workers requires business owners to provide protection from noise whenever the noise level in place exceeds 85 decibels. Such as providing hearing protection tools, finding engineering solutions to reduce the noise level, or applying alternative measures to reduce the level of exposure during work. Audiogram. Audiogram is a chart, graph, or table resulting from an audiometric test showing an individual's hearing threshold levels as a function of frequency. Baseline audiogram is the audiogram against which future audiograms are compared. Employer initiative to conduct a primary hearing measurement for workers to compare it with future measurements to identify any deterioration in their hearing level early, if any. Noise dosimeter. Noise dosimeter, an instrument that integrates a function of sound pressure over a period of time in such a manner that it directly indicates a noise dose. There are such devices in the workplace to measure the noise level to which the worker is exposed during a certain period, either by providing it in the workplace with the noise level in it when the noise level is almost constant, or the presence of such devices with the workers if their work necessitates their movement from one place to another, so the measurements given by these devices become more accurate to identify the level of noise to which the workers are exposed. Test your knowledge. Read the questions carefully and write your answer in a separate sheet to check your knowledge at the end of the part. Question 1. Noise indicate unwanted sound noise and can harm workers when they occur at high levels or continue for a long time. A. Is this time? A. Is this statement is true, or B. This statement is false? Question 2. How many % of Americans ages 20 to 69 have high-frequency hearing loss related to work or leisure activities? A. 25%. B. 30%. C. 15%. Question 3. Noise levels different from sources. For example, the noise generated from fireworks can reach how many decibels? Even the breathing can generate a noise equal to how many decibels? 1. 120 and 10. 2. 140 and 10. 3. 120 and 15. 4. 130 and 20. Question 4. Time weight average refers to the average noise exposure level over a given time period. An 8-hour time weight average refers to exposure over an 8-hour period. 1. Is this statement is true or 2. This statement is false. Now check your answers in your answer sheet. Question number 1. The correct answer is A. The statement is true. Noise indicate unwanted sound noise and can harm workers when they occur at high levels or continue for a long time. Question number 2. The correct answer is C. 15% of Americans ages 20 to 69 have high-frequency hearing loss related to work or leisure activities. Question number 3. The correct answer is B. Noise levels different from sources. For example, the noise generated from fireworks can 140 decibels. Even the breathing can generate a noise equal to 10 decibels. Question number 4. The correct answer is A. Time weight average refers to the average noise exposure level over a given time period. An 8-hour time weight average refers to exposure over an 8-hour period. Congratulations, your course part 2 is completed. Complete the course by access to our site, and pass the exam, then you will get your certificate automatically. This is a 100% completely free safety course in our website. Do not forget, if this is your first time with our channel, kindly subscribe and activate the bell to be updated with our news and courses. Thank you.